So yeah, my name is Justin. I've been in the sports media industry for about a decade since college, and moved to Las Vegas a couple years ago and transitioned to the casino industry a little bit. So now I'm currently a sports trader.
And why did you start using Rezi?
I just felt like my resume had plateaued. I wasn't getting the kind of responses I used to. I'm always trying to update it, but yeah, it just seemed like it wasn't working how it used to. So I just decided to start from scratch. And I know, like with the uptick in AI, a lot of these companies are using it to filter through resumes, and I was trying to get one that was a little more AI compliant. So I decided to use you guys, and it was very helpful. My response rate went up a little bit. Um, I just thought the software was very easy to use. It was very customizable. But yeah, the main thing I wasn't getting the amount of responses when I applied for jobs that I used to. So it was it was helpful having a program that
And
was,
yeah,
just helping make it easy for me to change my formats and also just apply to jobs at scale.